just leaving Best Buy.
You recording?
I sure am. I just got my new camera, baby. So we got the new camera. Okay, skin on fist. All right, y'all. We just got our new camera. Okay, we got the Sony ZV-1F. So yeah. So we doing new things. I literally just decided on I wanted this camera yesterday, y'all, and I went and got it. Okay, that's how we doing it in 2024. We going and getting it. Okay. Next is I'm gonna get me a MacBook. I saw a pink one that I wanted, so we're gonna be on the mission to get that one next. Okay. New year, new, bigger and better things. Okay. On my phone, I ain't even got my GPS on, so I'm just trying to talk. Yeah, we gotta go to At Home. I want to go to At Home and look at a couple of things.
What's At Home?
At Home.
What was At Home?
Furniture store. But y'all, I'm trying to see. Is the filter on? He said the filter was on. What is it doing? It's a touch screen. Exposure. Oh, it's making me bright as hell. Good. Okay. Alright, so I'll check in with y'all and get it at home, y'all. I gotta look over here. I'm just so used to looking over there. The camera, baby. The quality is A1. Okay. Yeah, idiots. Like, nothing is open. Like, Chipotle closed. Like, I want something to eat. I need some color, baby. Why we ain't got no color?
That's what I was trying to say.
Yeah, it's like the color is dull. We need to turn up the color on here, baby. We need some color to our skin. So we're gonna have to check the settings on that. And they don't got no other food over here. Buffalo wings.
That sound good.
What's Parma? I don't know what that is, baby. We ain't going there. Oh, Jesus. Ain't nothing to eat. Everybody done closed. It's 4:30. We want to do something to eat. What we supposed to eat? Everybody ain't cooking.
Oh, we're gonna get see Papa and get our gifts.
Popeye's home, baby.
What we gonna get to see him?
On New Year's, look like.
When it is?
To me, look at your calendar and find out when New Year's is, okay? What is Cane's? Didn't y'all say something about Cane, Raising Cane's?
Oh, yeah,
Are they open?
Yeah.
Let's try these people and see what they talking about. I ain't it.
What you got?
I was.
Oh, you heard Daddy?
Come on, people.
I said we can go try taco and tequila. You see that different?
I didn't know that. Oh, are they closed? What they say they closed? What's going on? Like, what is she doing?
She don't know how to get up in there.
Let's go. No, hell no, I can't get up in there. Oh, it's blocked. That's why they closed. Oh, Lord. They want everybody to get out, I guess. That's ridiculous. Like, why is the drive-thru not open? Nobody can get food today? Like, what's going on? No, they making you get out.
Oh, good.
And they sitting in there. They just don't want to work through the drive-thru. Like, what's going on? Is she finna go? Cause I gotta go to the bathroom.
Everybody getting a whole cup of sauce.
Yeah, we just left the dollar store. About to go look at Marshall's, and then Ross is over here. So we putting this stuff in the trunk. Yeah, close it up. Got it.
I need water.
Got my child. If you ever worry about what other people think, baby, you're gonna learn one day. Do extra, please. Okay. Thank you. Not worrying about other people. Don't get the little 2 burgers that smell. You got that one? I gotta find your name or something.
What you want?
Child, we don't know. I don't know, but what you think she gonna want?
I know what she wants.
What?
Some clothes or something.
Okay.
No, I'm gonna call. That's what she wants.
Hey, Ross the one got the dunks on. You gonna see Ross got the dunks?
Yeah.
They probably all gone down. Y'all want to look in here and see? Hey boo, so my battery died earlier, but we just got back home. I had to go get my dad gifts from my cousin's house, and she stayed way in Conyers, so that was an hour drive, hour back. So it's 11 something at night. Why are they still up? Why? We had the cable people come over and move the modem from upstairs to downstairs, so because Xfinity has been sucking literally. I came up here to get my here we go. Got on my little pajamas also. Yeah. Okay. It's not bad. The lighting and stuff. Tote bag. I need to get my light for my camera out of here. It's in here, child. I don't switch some in the purses. I don't know where it's at. Yeah. But I am loving the quality of this camera. You know how to somebody try to brush you off when you buy something in the store? But I got this camera from Best Buy, y'all. As y'all saw, I showed y'all the quality of it before, after I got it, because baby, I was testing it out in the store. Okay. But yeah, let me look over here. I keep looking at myself. But I'm so used to looking up. My camera thing used to be up, but I had to charge the battery. I had to go. My camera battery literally died while I was in Marshall's, as y'all seen. And then I tried to get on Google, try to find me a battery that was nearby, literally, because the ones at Best Buy, I paid $50 for this battery. The battery was obviously dead. It wasn't even charged, so that was a waste. I would have just bought the whole thing, the whole kit together. But of course, he was like, it was $150. I'm like, I can get these off of Amazon for like $20. So, and 3 batteries. That was 3 batteries and the charging thing together for $20. So that's what I ordered. But it died, so I was like, let me go get me a charger, because I don't want it don't come till Thursday. So that's the only thing. And I wasn't finna wait. I want to use my camera tonight and today. So that's why I was trying to get a little filming for y'all today also. But long story short, we ended up going to Walmart in Beaufort, and I found it said they had it in stock, the little battery. I'll show y'all when I go back downstairs what it is, but it basically can charge. Definitely, I would recommend getting it. It took me a while to figure it out, baby, but Bae figured it out for me, and it charges your batteries, literally your batteries that go in your little machines and stuff. It charges any kind of battery, y'all. Canon batteries, Sony batteries. It's basically universal, so you can basically charge it, and I love it. So, and then I just went ahead and ordered the one for Sony off of Amazon. That was $20 with the little 3 batteries and the port, so I could just have extra. So I could just throw that one in my purse and leave the other ones at home. So that's good. But these are the nails that I got. And these are them nails, so cute. Yeah, I always get 2 pairs. They only give you like 12 nails in here. So I always get 2 when they're at the Dollar Tree. Y'all, these from Dollar Tree. And, and look at this little cute little makeup case, y'all. This is what I have all my makeup in now. And I went ahead and took my little press-ons in there, because I like to give my nails a break. I don't like to put them on back to back, because it's like weakens my nails. But this is a little cute, little big little case off AliExpress. Y'all, like $2 off AliExpress. And then it came within like 2 weeks, so it wasn't bad. But yeah, we ended up seeing, y'all know her as, what is that girl name? And my phone is downstairs. She always be in the Tubi movies, her and the dude, and both of them was in Walmart. Y'all was literally leaving. I was like, dang, they look familiar. And I was like, they in the Tubi movies. And dang, I cannot remember her name. I haven't linked down below, y'all, but y'all know her, honey. She's a little light-skinned girl that's in all of the movies. She's real pretty in person, and she's way smaller in person. She's like shorter than me, and I'm like 5'5", y'all. So she's shorter than me, and she's real smaller. I'm like, she look like she's thick on camera, but she's small and skinny in person. So I guess to say it's true, the camera adds some pounds to you, baby, because, and I guess she was in there calling him bae, so I said, oh yeah, they date, okay. But this is the little light, y'all, that I have. I was trying to put it on my camera, but I don't think it goes. I gotta figure out what I think the little new one I got is supposed to fit on there. So hopefully it'll fit on my new tripod that I got. Because I'm just using this little regular one out of my old camera. That's what I'm using now, yeah. And I'm getting over a cold, so please excuse me. And like sinuses, congestion. I've been blowing my nose all day long. That's why I got this little line right here. But yeah, me and my baby are sick. He's asleep now, y'all. But yeah. Anyway, let me start rambling, y'all. Let me go downstairs. I'm finna show y'all this battery pack. And yeah. Yeah, this little battery pack I was trying to tell y'all about is universal. You can basically move it, and then you just put the little metal things on your battery, and it charges any kind of battery, y'all. And I think this was like $30 at Walmart, so you can get it at your local Walmart. I have a link down below if y'all want to check it out. So clock at night, baby. I'm not gonna make me some coffee, but sure am. Sure am. I've been drinking coffee all day. My little cup. Somebody said this little thing is backwards. I don't care, baby. I like drinking like this. I don't want it like this. I want it like this, okay? And if you got a problem with it, oh well. I like to put this in there for some like protein. Just put like a little bit in there, y'all, but it'd be so good. So this is what I use to make my coffee. So good. Look, I just brought me another one, y'all, because I'm like, they're gonna be closed tomorrow. So I was like, I need to get me another one, baby. Since we can't go to Dunkin' tomorrow. Gotta re-up, okay. I saw a post said the other day saying that y'all drink coffee before bed and how do it affect you? Is this good? Say December 31st. Yeah, it's still good. All I drink now is almond milk, oat milk, baby, because let me turn that light off. Because we don't do cow milk. No. No, ma'am. It's the creamer caramel macchiato. You put in here. So good. Cheers. Merry Christmas. Then we use our Tarani, whatever. Caramel syrup, sugar-free, boo. Let's put a little bit of that in there. And our whipped cream, and this is empty, so let me get my other one.
Miss Carl.
All right. So good. And I'm the only one drink coffee, so y'all don't be worrying about my whipped cream, okay? Because I'm the only one drink these products, okay? Thank you very much. Cheers. Looks so good. If you want me to make you one, $10.99, okay? Book me, okay? Book it, girl. Better than Starbucks. Oh, close the this light on. What you drinking? Let me sit in my soda home. Better than Starbucks and Dunkin' Boo. Baby, telling you. So good. Try it, y'all. Let me know what you think. This is the Tiffany special. It's that Tiffany special, baby. like a little dessert for me. Now, why my children eat waffles and leave the paper in here, y'all? Why? I gotta clean my refrigerator out. Cause my refrigerator is just nasty. Obviously. I put my decorations up early, but best believe they coming down tomorrow. And we're gonna be getting ready for the new year tomorrow, okay? Cause it's gonna be down tomorrow, all of it. But Merry Christmas, y'all. I am going to close out this vlog. Your girl is back doing vlogs. Next year, baby, I will be doing vlogmas. So y'all watch me next year doing vlogmas because I'm sticking to it. I said it, I'm gonna do it, okay? But yeah, thank you all for viewing, rating, and subscribing to your girl. And make sure to hit that bell to be notified when your girl uploads. And until next time, loves, stay beautiful and Merry Christmas, y'all. Bye, y'all.
And Juju too.
Okay, look, what's the problem?
What's that? Make you stab to me and stuff. Everybody got you.
I smell one. Thank you. Goodbye.
What's that? What's that?
A cash treasure.
Uh-oh. That basketball hoop right there. That's yours. That basketball gone.
Okay.
From Papa.
Oh,
Oh.
it's a bracelet.
Oh.
Is this one for you? Oh, it's still another whole box. What is this?
Might have got Crocs. Ain't that what you wanted? Uh-oh, now.
Why? What? How they feel? Juju over there about my cash treasures. Oh, and these. And they biddable. Oh, look, they biddable. What? And it got soft in the inside.
Oh.
Juju, why you taking my cash treasures?
Yeah, I took you register. The dude shoes.
Oh, what is
those
this?
are cute. I don't know what those is. Open them and see.
Wait, what?
Like I'm inside the box. No.
6 to 10. Okay, where's the 10?
Ooh.
You want it?
Uh-oh. A princess 10.
To this one, yours too.
Ooh, Duke, we got a little basketball goal.
Dude, look.
Ooh, Duke, look.
I got one too.
Okay, basketball.
And it got a lady wing.
What it say?
But look, this is look.
You like it?
I think this outfit.
All right now. Somebody know what you like.
Okay.
You can wear one on today.
Where we going?
Nana house. Gotta get Nana gift. Got more gifts over there.
Look, I'm killing sick.
Child, we don't know that wildebeest out there.
Oh, look, this guy.
You got a
She got a dress.
I ain't got to holler. I ain't got nowhere to see it.
Ain't it? Gotta put it together in your room.
What's that bracelet?
Look, what's that? What's that? So he love to learn, y'all. We gotta open it. Yeah.
It's piano.
I already know we can take our time to make some room. That damn soul got to go. He got a table and you got a table. Now you got to make smell on her. Now you got nowhere to sit at.
bilingual. You know he love to do other languages.
Definitely when we go back to Puerto Rico.
Good morning, Merry Christmas, everyone. And yeah, I'm still getting used to looking at myself over here, y'all. But yeah, Merry Christmas. I hope everyone is having a great Christmas, spending it with your loved ones and those who love and care about you. But I'm about to get dressed because we're headed to Tyson mom's house. So I'm going to be trying this new foundation Charlotte Tilbury sent me, and it is the Flawless Filter. I have 5.5 tan, and I just pretty much did a survey online to get matched, so hopefully this matches perfectly, which it looks close to my skin. So this is it right here. There we go. That's it, y'all. But yeah, I'm excited to try this. Top. This is this foundation? It's like a concealer. Hold on there. Says Flawless Filter for a superior youthful glow. And I wanted this foundation. It looks like it's foundation. But it's in like a bottle like this. I wonder if it's concealer. I don't know, y'all, but we're gonna look it up and see. Oh, I need to check and see. I was still sending over some brands, some stuff, because I'm like still catching up, y'all. Let me see. And I just got so much other stuff, y'all. I have to show y'all all my stuff down there I got to review for this week. And I didn't go walking this morning, y'all. I'm going to take y'all along. Probably tomorrow we'll go walking because it's just so peaceful. And I just love walking. It just says Flawless Filter. Don't say foundation. I guess you can use whatever you want. So we're finna use it today. So I'll be showing y'all that. But I'm excited to try this. So we're going to be doing that today. And then I also got another foundation, y'all. This one I have to do for TikTok shop. I love TikTok shop, baby. That's definitely another side hustle you can do as well. They sent me there. They sent me the wrong color, but this is the second one they sent me. Yeah, this is the first one they sent me here, y'all. It's like a darker color. So I may just use this as a bronzer, but I'm going to be using this one. And they sent me amber. Amber is my real color because I matched it perfectly. And this is Deep Honey. Deep Honey is more of like a dark color for me. I can use as a little contour. So we're going to be doing that also. So I'm not going to do this today. Probably do that tomorrow. Because I have to film tomorrow. So I probably wear that tomorrow and do all of that filming for that. But yeah, I'm about to get dressed, y'all. Because I'm about to do these nails. We're going to be putting on these Dollar Tree nails today that I showed y'all last night. And then I'll come back and show y'all that as well. So yeah, and then I also have to film a video for my hair, which is why I just washed it. So I just washed and conditioned it. So I just did that, and then I'm about to film a video of me curling my hair because I was sent a curler that I have, a brush curler that I'm about to try out. So I'll give y'all my honest review on that also. So I will be back. Your girl is booked and busy, baby. It's Christmas and I'm still working. Callie, get that good sleep on. Yes, y'all, but copyright. But yes, like I was saying, I had to turn my music off. But yeah, the nails are sticking on. I am filming a TikTok about it as well, so make sure y'all check that out also. But look at the nails sticking on, no glue, boo. I'm telling you, get some, and make sure to get 2 packs, y'all, because they only have 12 in each one. So yeah, at your local Dollar Tree. Alexa, turn off. Hey boo, so I have finished my makeup. This is the foundation I have, which was the Flawless Filter, which I showed y'all. And then I mixed it with my Lancome. I love this foundation here as well, so I mixed these two together. Love them together. But yeah, that's what I did today. And then I just did a review on this brush, y'all. I washed my hair today, and then I just blew it out with this little flat. I had to do a review on the TikTok shop, y'all. I have a link to my TikTok shop for y'all to try this out as well. It lets you know when it is off, but it goes up to 400 degrees, baby. It is bomb. If you definitely want to blow out, definitely love it. So yeah, and if you want to do some curls, you can. I just did like some little light curls today, as you can see, and then straight in the back. So that's what I did today, but I love it, y'all. So definitely check it out. I will have a link down below as well if you wanted to get you one. And it's in a cute purple. And this is the box. This is the box that it came in as well. Love it. And it comes with gloves and some hair clips. So I love that. So definitely check this brand out as well. But yeah, I'm about to do my baby's hair and we finna get ready to go, y'all, because we are so late, baby. It's going on 4 o'clock. These are the nails I did also. No glue needed. And one of them popped off, so definitely put on some glue if you want them to last. But if you just want to just wear them for a few hours, take them off, which these gonna come off tonight anyway, so I don't care. But yeah, these are still on. So I just did this hair, and they kept getting caught up in my hair because they're not, I guess the root is not all the way down with just the press-ons. But yeah, I love them so far. Check in with y'all later. We're about to get ready to go, and I'll probably check in with y'all tomorrow because I'm not bringing y'all along.